And we're just about ready to lay the first piece of wrap, which is one whole piece on one side. Now, yes, the design is very brave, but I'll get onto why I picked this design in a minute. But for now, it's the challenge of wrapping the whole side of the Gallardo in one piece. And sometimes things take a lot longer than usual. And day 2 flew past like a breeze. And we haven't even got half of the car wrapped yet. But luckily I've got Liam and Chris to help me with this side of the car, so we can lay the full piece down and then crack on with heating it and cutting all the panels out. A printed wrap design like one of these takes a lot longer to wrap. Because this panel is pretty easy because it's flat, and it's the same with the engine cover or the boot lid. And the days are just flying by. A Lamborghini Gallardo, and I cannot wait for the outcome. Where we were cutting it close for time, and Ricky at RE Performance needs the Lambo for as much time as possible. Day 7 already, so we're heading straight for RE's dyno cell, but there's still some work to do. Once Ricky had warmed the Gallardo, I did not expect what was about to happen next. It's time for the real run. Just to note, this is 1001 engine horsepower, but regardless, it's still insanely fast. I don't think I could ever put across how fast this car is on camera. Oh my god, that is absolutely...
Are you ready to do this?